Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite, I would say favorite house, and it's a little bit old school, very old school perhaps, but I love it so much. And I'm just going to start. I don't want to talk about a whole bunch of stuff. So the first one is, please tell me you've tried this, because if you haven't, Shalimar, oh my God, Shalimar. It's so gorgeous. This starts off with bergamot and lemon and orange. It dries down. There's like musk and a little incense and a little wood. It is the most beautiful perfume. And I think it just has an image problem. I think because you see this bottle that is actually quite pretty. You think old lady and you're like, no, that's my grandmother's perfume. And yet, if this was in a new bottle, like if this was released tomorrow, oh my God, people would go crazy. It is just the perfect balance of citrus, wood, amber, vanilla-y dry down. It's not too sweet. It's absolutely gorgeous. When it came out, it rocked the world. I think it came out in like, oh my God, like 1925, and like all the flappers wore it, and it was like a bad girl perfume, and now it's like an old lady perfume. Not really, it's not. It's like one of my favorites. Sometimes I wear it to bed. That's how much I love it. So anyways, if you haven't tried it, try it. Don't believe the bad hype. Now, next I'm going to talk about Terracotta de Perfume. Is that what it's called? Terracotta de Le Parfum. So this is a jasmine, coconutty, gorgeous, gorgeous perfume. So, oh my God, this is everything. This is everything. I love it so much. Let me just get the notes out. So this one is coconut, tiare flower. It has jasmine, ylang ylang, orange blossom, vanilla, and musk. It is, listen, Guerlain means quality. I swear to God, like you pay more, but you get the best of the best. This is not a new sort of DNA, but this is one of the best. It is a gorgeous summer vacation perfume. It is coconut and beach and like tropical flowers. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love that one. And both of those so far, actually, I would say almost all of them, I'm never getting rid of. So don't even, not gonna happen. This one is called Shalimar Souffle de Perfume. So this one is a newer one. So this one is sort of, I think they were trying to like lighten up Shalimar for like a new generation. So it's a white floral with lemon and citrus. It's sort of Shalimar light, I would say. It's very, very pretty. There's definitely a lemony, white, floral, vanilla vibe. Yeah, it's a little bit sweet, a little bit musky. It's super duper pretty. I like this one so, so much. Oh, the cap is wrong. So that's a good one to try. I think the bottle is gorgeous. Shalimar Souffle Le Parfum. So the next one is, so this one I got, so I have some stories about. I was buying a perfume online and this woman had 4 for I don't know how many dollars. And I bought them because I thought it was a good deal. And then she said, I have 2 more. And I was like, yeah, I'll buy those too because I'm already paying for the shipping. And then she said, I have these 2 Guerlains. I'll throw them in. And I was like, oh my God. So this is Spiritueuse Double Vanille. Now, this is the old formulation. This is the old bottle. And in my opinion, this is the better, probably formulation, but this is the better bottle. Like I don't want to disparage the new bottle, but to me this is so much prettier. Like look at that. That's so amazing. Now this vanilla is, I want to pull the cap off, but there's no. This one is an incensey, lemony. Oh my God. Let me just look up the notes again. It's so gorgeous. So I try to just wing it and then I get all lost in my thought. So this is a beautiful, beautiful vanilla amber warm spice. It's got benzoin, ylang ylang. It's got a little bit of rose and jasmine. There's incense. It is like a rummy, I don't know, a spicy vanilla. It is absolutely gorgeous. No one does vanilla like Guerlain. They are the best at it, hands down, hands down. I am so happy to have this one. You can't even, like, I want to, like, these are my new children. This one is Angelique Noire. So this came out before Spiritueuse de Bleu Vanille. And this is a vanilla, but this is a bit of like a powdery, like, I wouldn't say green, but there's like a tiny bit of, there's Angelica, hence Angelique. And see, look, Angelique Noire again. There's not very much in it, but that's okay. So this one, oh my God, it's just like, there's a little bit of peppery, there's a little bit of like a fruit, I think it's pear off the top, jasmine, cedar, vanilla. It is, now, I would say smell before you buy. I don't think this is like, I don't think that you would want to jump right into this one without smelling it first, because it might be, the Angelica might be like a little bit too bitter, a little bit too green. I don't even know if it's green. It's a little bit powdery. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but once you get into it, damn, it's good. It is so, so, so good. I love this one. The next one is, let me look it up, is Mon Guerlain by Guerlain. So this one is another pretty, I also think like the bottles for Guerlain, to me, amazing, amazing. I just think they're so simple. I don't really go in for like those crazy, wacky, I don't know, kitschy perfume bottles with stuff all over the place. This one is super gorgeous. This is a vanilla, but it's a tonka and an herbal. It's got lavender. It's got iris, jasmine, and rose. It's really, really elegant. It is, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. And this is definitely could be a signature scent, an everyday scent, an office wear scent. It straddles everything. This is a date scent. This is a feel-good scent. It's cozy. I mean, it's just an elevated ladies perfume. So gorgeous. Again, staying in my collection. The second last one, I actually have like two more, sort of. So this one is, and this name gets me every time. Okay, let me look it up. The name is Elixir, Charnel, Gourmand, Coquin. Isn't that a mouthful? So this is a chocolate scent. So this was bought in person in England, and this is like the decanter, not the decanter. This is the bottle, and then you put it in the little tiny sprayer. Honestly, the picture online of the bottle that looks more like that is, I kind of would have preferred, but this is what it came as at the time. Chocolate, cacao, oh my God, vanilla, spices, rum. It smells, there's a little flower. I think there's a little rose in here. It smells like the best chocolate souffle you've ever had in your life. It is so good and so powerful. And like, I have some other chocolate perfumes and they smell good, but this is the only one I will wear. Like if I don't know, for whatever reason, I love the smell of chocolate, but most of the time I don't really want to smell like chocolate. But if I do, this is it. Worth every penny. Love it. Okay, the last one, and this, I'm going to say, it's not my personal favorite. Like, this is a gorgeous perfume, but it's not my favorite. This is Santal Pao Rosa, and I only have this tiny little one, and I might have given it away. Look, there's like a little but it's so cute. I love it so much. But this is Palo Santal wood. It is every kind of wood you can imagine. It is a wood balm. Let me just look them up. Woody, spices, oud, aromatic, cardamom. I mean, fig, myrrh, nutty notes, sandalwood. Oh, I wanted to pull it, but it's actually like a, I mean, it's gorgeous. It really, really is. It's just, I don't really go for such heavy, woody scents. But anyways, if you really like a sandalwood, oudy, with a tiny bit of spice, gorgeous. Quality, gorgeous. Look at that, it's so cute. I want to eat it up. Okay, so those are my Guerlain perfumes. And I hope you enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. What Guerlain do you have? And have a wonderful day. Take care.